What's going on? My name is Michael Patty, so I decided to come out here and sit on the front porch. And while I was sitting here enjoying the breeze, enjoying the sunlight, I said, let me just cut the camera on and do a video. Sometimes I like to just cut the camera on, do a video, have no idea what I'm going to say. But, it's really all about just letting go, okay? Telling people how you feel about your business. And letting people know, what you're doing. I love Exitus Elite. It is the primary business. It is the only business that you're going to see me promote. You may hear me talk about Power Lead System, which is a tool suite, for building your own pages and funnels. And you can make money in it, but Exitus Elite is the cash cow. The reason is there's no monthly fees, no yearly fees. Pay one time only. There was a bee I just looked at because there's a beehive right here. I just realized when I came out here and looked around. But back to what I was saying. You pay one time and one time only, and you earn unlimited commissions. Paul Stevenson is the owner inside of Exitus Elite. He really cares about this business. He really cares about the members. Everything he does is always about the members. It's always about the business, making sure it runs good for us, making sure that everything is up to date with all the training in the back office, making sure we have what we need to win. His son, Jacob Stevenson, is over support. Greatest support I ever seen. Gets back to you fast. When I first got into Exitus Elite about 2 years ago, the first person I brought in had a little issue paying because they were from another area and they had a little problem paying. So I reached out to support, and Jacob Stevenson actually messaged me personally on Facebook, which I was surprised by that because he's very busy, but he took the time out to help me, and now that person is in position to earn unlimited commissions. And I got paid instantly. No waiting on the money. You get to pick how you get paid. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, straight cash. You get to choose. And that's what I love about this opportunity. The support, the ownership, the training that's in the back office is great. And that's what Exitus Elite is. It's a training course over personal development, empowerment, online marketing. Just it's so much information in the back office, even about business. A lot of information back there that you can actually watch the training. And without giving everything away, it gives you value to talk about in your videos and your posts and everything. So go back there and learn something and share it. That's how you build credibility in your business. So Exitus Elite is actually perfect because even if you already have a business, it's training back there that will show you how to build that business. And Exitus Elite is a business in itself. I want to jump in here and congratulate some people from getting started inside of Exitus Elite. I want to congratulate Stefan for getting going. Coming into G100. G100 is $149 to get started. You earn unlimited $100 payments. Now, if you start low and you make the decision to upgrade, you only pay the difference from level to level. Pay the difference from the admin and difference in the product package at any time. There's no grace period on that, anything. I want to congratulate Lawson for coming into G1000. He's in position to earn unlimited $1,000 commissions. Congratulations to Julie for getting started in this opportunity. And congratulations to Angel for coming into G2000 level. Other things I love about Exitus Elite is that Exitus Elite comes with everything you need. It comes with lead capture pages. It comes with sources to drive traffic to the lead capture page, a built-in autoresponder, sales letter, a presentation video. And they also have a call center that your prospects call. Exitus Elite will answer the questions and sign them up into the business and send you the commission. Now, using a call center is an 80%, 20% split. But if you close your own sales, it's 100%. For example, close your own sales at a G1000 level, you make $1,000 commissions. If you happen to use the call center, maybe you're busy, maybe you're out on vacation, you turn on the call center and let the call center close your sales. And the Exitus Elite gives you lead capture pages, autoresponder, so they collect the names and numbers as you run traffic. They have sources in the back office to run traffic. You're busy, you're on vacation, you got a big project coming up, you buy traffic, run it through the lead capture page. They confirm their email address. The system start following up emails for you. If they want more information, can't get in touch with you, they can call the call center. Call center signs them up, send you the commission. Now that's G1000 sale, that's 80% that you keep, and you send the company 20%. So you'll make $800 on a G1000 sale without you really have to do much but run traffic, and the system takes over from there. To get more information about Exitus, you're going to click the link down in the description. This will bring you to the page I personally created with Power Lead System. Power Lead System is a tool suite to build your own pages, funnels, everything. Create your own email campaign. It's a tool suite. Although you can make money, I mainly use it for the tools. Exitus Elite is my primary business. That page will take you to the sales page that I created using Power Lead System. These are the videos that Exitus Elite provides. I put them both together because between the two videos, it gives you all the information that you need to make a decision to do this business. After seeing these two videos, you're going to know if you want to do this business or not. Whoa, because it came that way towards me and it scared me. So I jumped and it ran this way. I seen it run back that way because. So watch these two videos, the call center to call if you have any questions, or you can simply call me and I can answer your questions. This shows me earning a commission inside Exitus Elite. You can join here, more information about Exitus, and you're going to get my copy and paste swap file. If you make the decision to join, I got some team bonuses, such as my one-on-one bonus training, a mega swap file, so much information right there, 3 generation of bonus training that I got from my sponsor, and I'm going to give it to you. That's training on how to make these $1,000 and $2,000 commissions. You're going to get added to our team private chat for ongoing support and training. We have conversations, giving tips, giving ideas. You can ask a question. You're definitely going to get an answer. There's over 50 people inside of that private Facebook chat. And that chat is for G1000, G2000 members. If you make the decision to go big at G1000, G2000, I want to help you get eyeballs on your business. Because the more people that see this opportunity, the more potential sales you can make, and I'm going to help you with that. So if you want to get more information, you can call me directly. My contact information is down in the description. The link is down in the description, and get access to the call center so you can see how the call center will help you close your sales by seeing what the process is, so then you will know definitely if you want to use a call center or not. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. My name is Michael Petty. Hope to talk to you soon.